Hello, Children's National Team. I'm Kathy Gorman, the Chief Operating Officer, and as we recognize you this week, we want to thank you for your perseverance and resiliency in the face of many challenges over this past year as we have all managed together through this pandemic. There have been long days and long months, but our team has been amazing in working through the challenges, innovating in new ways to support care, and supporting the patient and family at every step and taking care of each other. I know our clinical and support teams have been working on the front lines tirelessly, caring for our patients and families and making sure we're meeting their needs. And for those of you who have been working behind the scenes, who've been telecommuting, we know this has not been easy for you, but you have supported the mission of Children's in every step of the way. You are all superheroes to our team. As I have seen our teams become stronger, I've witnessed the incredible courage, compassion, commitment, and dedication to all those we serve. What you have accomplished this past year has been inspiring for us all to witness. You have done this in the face of adversity and what many of you have dealt with in your own personal home, and in some cases, personal loss. Through this all, you continue to bring your whole self and your best self to work to care for our children. Prior to the pandemic, I saw Children's National at its best on many occasions, always working as a team. But this year, you have redefined what team is and what it means to be a part of Children's National Bear Team. You have set a new bar. I thank you for what sacrifices you have made to help make our kids grow up stronger. You have my deepest gratitude. Thank you.
Hello, Children's National. It's been an extraordinary year. This message is meant simply and sincerely to thank you for exceptional work and care for our patients and their families. In the past year, you've treated more than 2,000 children who were symptomatic with COVID-19. We've performed 70,000 PCR COVID tests. We've admitted to the hospital 433 patients, and you've managed countless PUIs. We expanded our admission criteria to include young adults. Thank you for every time you had to turn an adult patient to the prone position, to doff and don the PPE, to create the pre-op screening protocols, and manage the workflow of patient care in entirely different ways. You reimagined our clinics to incorporate social distancing and PPE and cleaning and a host of other changes. You transformed medical practice by embracing telemedicine. I also want to thank Dr. Newman and our board for their early direction to create a COVID-19 playbook. At all times, we tried to protect our patients and prioritize our workforce. It takes literally hundreds of pages in the playbook to describe the work that you've done and the changes you've made. It's been hard, and you have been challenged from day one, but you were resilient, and we thank you for that. There is an ongoing challenge and need for more recovery because every part of our personal and professional lives has been affected by the pandemic. I've shared this CMO office with Dr. Denise Cora-Bramble during the COVID-19 crisis, and I will miss her as she transitions to the important work of diversity, equity, inclusion in her new role. I miss her already, but I know that with her leadership, and especially that partnership with Dr. Newman, her work will long outlast coronavirus. The COVID-19 crisis has helped forge also a bond between the CMO office and the Chief Operating Officer. Today, Ms. Gorman and I reach out, and together we thank you for all the work that you've done and the work to come. Thank you.